Hi everyone, today we are making Pili Pili sauce, also known as Pili Pili or Piri Piri. This is a popular sauce in African countries such as Kenya, Tanzania, Congo, and South Africa. There are many versions of the same, but we're going to be making East African style Pili Pili ya Kukaanga. As you can see, this recipe uses simple everyday ingredients such as tomatoes. I'll provide the recipe link in the description box. I always like to start by deseeding the chili peppers, but you can leave them on if you prefer your peri peri sauce spicier or hotter. Peri peri sauce is usually made using African bad-eye chili, but you can use any spicy chili peppers such as habanero if you prefer. You then want to slice the tomatoes. Don't worry about the size. You can slice them large as I am doing. This is because we're going to process everything in a blender. Once the tomatoes are in the blender, proceed on to peel some garlic cloves. We are going to process this as well. To the blender, add some salt, garam masala, and paprika powder. You can blend this smooth or chunky. It all totally depends on what you like. Next, heat some oil in a pot or pan. Make sure to use enough oil as this helps with preservation. It helps keep the sauce for longer, basically. To the pot or pan, add some tomato paste and give it a good mix to combine. Make sure to use low to medium heat and to keep stirring so the tomato paste does not burn. Next, add the blended mixture and combine. I know the oil seems a lot, but don't worry about it. We are going to set it aside. Make sure your heat is at a low. Cover the Pili Pili sauce and allow it to simmer. You also want to make sure to check on it from time to time so it does not burn. About meat cooking, check for salt and add some more if you need to. You will know the Pili Pili ya Kukaanga is cooked when the tomato mass separates from the oil as follows. As you can see, the tomato mass has separated from the oil and the oil can be seen around the pan. At this point, you want to give it one final mix and then add in the lemon juice. Allow it to cook for a final 2 to 5 minutes. Once cooked, remove the pan from the heat and remove any excess oil. Do not throw this oil away. You can use it to make stews, soups, even serve it as chili oil. Serve Pili Pili ya Kukaanga alongside your favorite dishes. Add it to food when cooking or use as a marinade. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.